Okay, so see here. We want this girl to look like this, okay, and actually I will make her more good looking, okay. So not just because the right side photo, even though it is clean, it is not still that much bright, okay. So we'll add some brightness also, right. So what we'll do now, see here, I will just bring the open the image. Wait a minute. Where did we get? Somewhere I lost. Wait a minute. Okay, it's here. Okay. So now I'm going to give you a screenshot of photo retouching. See, so please take a screenshot of these 11 points, okay. Okay, everybody has taken a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just some more points are there, so just you take from here to the end like this, okay. Right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now we'll start. Okay, now we'll start photo retouching. See here. See, first thing is let us not work on the original. Okay, let us work on the duplicate. So how to take a duplicate?
Smart object, sir.
Not smart object. Control J.
J.
So means I am not going to work on the original. This is the original. Just original will in the after completing the photo retouching, we will do some comparison. So for that we will keep the original. Okay. So now we will start working on this. And first step what we have to do is we have to clean her face. So how we can clean her face? Anybody can tell?
Patch tool, sir.
Yeah, patch tool. So we'll take a patch tool and then we'll go to full screen mode. We'll select this source. Let us just so once we have cleared all these pimples, okay, we are still we are still able to see some roughness on her face. Okay, so we also have to clear the roughness on her face. Okay, right. Okay, so now her face is clean, but still there is roughness. So now we'll work on making her face smooth, okay, by removing the roughness. So what we are going to do, see, I'm going to take a new layer here, okay. So just Control J, just I have taken a new layer, and then see one more duplicate, and then go to filter, and we will apply blur. And which blur? Surface blur, okay, blur, surface blur, see here, okay. And then, so what is the next thing we have to do? See here, see, you can actually change these values if you want, okay. You can actually make it low, make it to a lower value, make the radius to a lower value, or threshold to a lower value, okay, or we can stick to these values, right? Okay, 3328 is okay, right? Then the next step is, see, even though it is smooth, see the details on her nose and mouth and eyes are lost. So what we are going to do now is, we have to bring back the details. Means we want smoothness only on her skin. So what we can do, I am going to apply a mask to this, okay. I will apply a Hydol mask. So how to apply Hydol mask? Anybody can tell?
Alt plus click on the mask.
Alt plus click on the mask.
Click on the mask.
Right. So now the next step is, see, we are going to select a brush and soft round brush, and then we will only paint on the skin areas. So just okay, we actually flow value is very less, so try to increase the flow value, okay. And now just don't paint completely, okay, just paint only on the skin areas. See, anybody has completed assignments? Previous class, I think I gave you some assignments, right?
Yes, sir.
Means I told you, whoever has computers, please complete the assignments. I think I did not get anybody's mail, I think. What happened?
Sir, I will send you after the class. I'm running partial thing. And I have doubts too. Huma
आप सुन रहे? सी आप इंस्टीट्यूट का सिस्टम क्यों नहीं खरीद सकते आप?
नो सर, कुछ भी डैमेज हुआ तो
लेकिन वो पैसे वापस दे देते ना वो लोग.
नहीं, गलती से कुछ हुआ तो ले लेते ना सर, पैसे काट लेते. इससे अच्छा नया वाला लेना ही सही है.
लेकिन नया वाला का टाइम लगता ना. अभी आपको बहुत क्लासेस हो जा रहे और प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं हो रहे आप.
बात ये, वो आया था सर, बट डैमेज हुआ था तो फिर से रिटर्न कर रहे थे. वो बोला और 10 days लगेगा शायद, बोल रहे थे.
कुछ ना, you have to do some arrangements because we will be completing many topics, and if you don't practice, even you will feel that अरे हम just ऐसे ही क्लास को आ रहे, सीख रहे, जा रहे, लेकिन कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे. ऐसा you will get this type of feelings. So that's what I'm telling. Try to do some arrangements. It's very important.
Sir.
Everybody in this field should have a computer. Because you cannot guarantee this situation is like this. So try, okay?
Okay, sir.
And what about others who don't have the systems? What they are doing? Santosh Reddy, Santosh Reddy, and who else? I think
Baluji.
Vamshi. Who else? Who else is there in the batch? I don't remember the names. Balu, Shiva, Vamshi. And what happened to Balu and Anjaneya?
సార్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాను సార్ కాకపోతే మెయిల్ చేయలేదు సార్
చెయ్యాలి. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే సార్ అంటే నేను అంతకు ముందు చేసి పంపాను సార్ మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోయాను సార్.
అండ్ అంజనేయ డిడ్ యూ సెండ్?
అదే సార్ పంపాను సార్ కొన్ని మనం ఇచ్చిన అసైన్మెంట్ ఒకటి అవ్వదు సార్ అంతే అలా మనం ఇచ్చిన ఒకటే మెయిల్ చేయలేదు మీకు.
Okay, right. Okay, so we have come till here now. So now, okay, now her face is a little bit smooth. Okay, now our next step is, see here, we will add some a little bit more attraction to her face. We'll give her some glow. Okay, see, understand this glow. So where we can find glow actually? See, some in you can see some fashion models on magazine covers. Okay, their face will be glowing actually. And not only that, in some albums, wedding albums also, we see the girl's face glowing a lot. So we are going to add that type of glow to this girl also. Okay, so let us see how we can do that. Right, so I can take a common layer here. So how to take a common layer? Anybody can tell?
Control Alt Shift E.
Control Alt Shift E. Okay, now the next step is, okay, see here, we have to first keep this foreground and background color to black and white. Okay, remember that. Okay, foreground and background color to black and white. And the next step is, see, go to filter and filter gallery. Go to filter and filter gallery. Okay, just click on this filter gallery, right? And then see here we have an option. Okay, see here we have an option, diffuse glow. See, the moment I click on this diffuse glow, you can see her face. You can see some glow on her face. So
Yes,
and you can also try to increase the glow on her face. How? See, just glow amount is there, just try to move the slider like this. See now the glow is increasing, but I think this is a very sensitive value. You cannot give too much, you cannot give a very big value, just slightly, it's very slight glow is enough. Okay, you can also try to reduce the clear amount. Okay, so clear amount also, it's very sensitive. If you reduce it, it will add a lot of glow. So we will actually make it a little bit. See, there is some glow on her face now. Slight glow is enough. Okay, don't give too much glow. Okay, right. So now there is slight glow on her face. Now the next step is, see, we have achieved two things now. We have cleaned her face, we have made her face smooth. Now the next task is to make her face fair or glowing or bright. Okay, that is the last and final our task. So we are going to add, now we are going to add some adjustments also. Okay, till now we have not added any adjustment. Now we will be adding some adjustments. Okay, so the adjustment that we are going to add is curves. See, curves. And how I am going to add? By clicking on this button, then add. See, I am adding the curves adjustment from layers. Understand this? Okay, right. So just you can click on this, so that it will, the whatever effect you give in the curves will affect only the layer that is exactly below it. Okay, And now just a slight brightness you can give. See, a very slight brightness. Okay, don't give it too much, just a slight brightness. See, you can see the shape of this curve. It is a slightly arc shape. It has a very simple arc shape. Okay, now what is the thing we can do? See, I want the brightness only on her face, not in any other area. So I can do one thing, just simply inverse this curve's thumbnail. How to inverse the curve's thumbnail? Anybody can tell?
Control I, sir.
Control I. Okay, and then I will just paint on her face. See, now there is some little bit brightness on her face. That's it. Okay, now there is brightness on her face, there is a glow on her face, smoothness on her face. Okay, and the next thing is we will add some naturality to her face. So what do you mean naturality? Naturality means, see, I want the see the normally the face of everybody is brownish in color. Okay, means see, even foreigners also, Americans also, their face, they are actually white skinned people, right? But white means not this white, this white color. Nobody's face will be this white, right? Everybody's face will be a little bit brownish in color. So that is the natural color of the skin, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to get that naturality to her face. So to get that naturality to her face, I am going to apply another adjustment. Okay, and how I am going to apply? I am going to take one common layer again, Control Alt Shift to E. Okay, and then which adjustment I am going to apply? See, I am going to go to Image Adjustment, and see here we have something called Vibrance. Okay, Vibrance. Is it clear, all of you? See here, what we can do is, see, vibrance, if you increase it to right side, see the image, just observe, see, just observe what happens. Right now, the image is looking little bit creamish in color, right? It is a creamish color, her face is a creamish color. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I move this button to the right, see what happens. You can see it is becoming little bit brownish. See, can you see the change? It is becoming brownish, yellowish, brownish, like that. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to observe? See, and if you want more brownish or more yellowish, you can increase the saturation also. See, now it is more yellowish, but actually I think we have given too much value. So what I will do is, I will just come back to 48 is okay. 48 is okay for me. Just okay. Right. So now our main job is done. That is fair, smooth, and clean. We still have a little bit to do. That is, we are going to give some makeup to her lips. Okay, we are going to give a makeup to her lips. So how we can give? See, just take a new layer above this active layer, and then so I am going to select her. I am going to select her lips using the pen tool. Take the pen tool, and I am selecting this path option. Okay, and just draw a path over her lips. Okay, just draw a path and then control and enter, and then we'll give a little bit feather to this. Okay, don't give too much feather, just I think 3 is okay. 3, not 3, okay, 6. Okay, now what I will do, I will select the red color and then apply the red color, alt and backspace. Okay, and then I will use which blending mode? Multiply blending mode. Okay, see, so you can use, but one more thing I want to tell you is, see, it has actually taken away the highlights or the bright areas of her lips. So we have to bring back her bright areas of her lips. So how we can bring back the bright areas of her lips? See here, I will just double click on this, and then see, I told you this underlying layer, remember? Okay, so underlying layer right now is this image layer. Okay, so we want to bring back the highlights from the underlying layer. So how we can bring back? See here, just move this button to the left. So just move this button to the left. See what is happening, you can see. See here, can you see what is happening? Can you see what is happening?
Yes, sir.
We are bringing back the bright areas, but actually it is looking little bit wet, means it is having too much effect. So instead what we'll do, we'll break this button, alt, and then simply break the button. See here, now her lips are natural. Okay, can you see the change?
Yes, sir.
Right, just simply click OK. See, now for the one last time, we have to take a common layer, Control Alt to Shift to E, like this.
So without underlying layer, can't we do with opacity?
If you do with opacity, it will not be, means see what is opacity? It will only reduce the visibility of that image. Opacity, what it will do, it will make it 100% visible or 50% visible. But here what underlying layer, what it will do is, it will actually swallow, means it will actually swallow or eat or remove a part of the top layer. Understand what I'm saying? It will remove part of the top layer in either bright areas or dark areas. That is the difference. Okay. Right. Okay. So now we have completed our task of photo retouching. So just we will do one comparison now. I will take one new document, that is a landscape document, and then I am going to drag this, and then I will also drag this. So this is a, see how much change we are able to bring. See, we have not only added, we have not only made her face smooth, but we have also made her face, means we have also cleaned her face, smoothened her face, brightened her face, and also added some makeup to her face. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give you one assignment for the next class actually. Okay, 2 assignments I will give. See, there are many images of photo retouching, but actually I want you to, even this one is also there, see, whatever, but I don't want means you to do the same, use the same image. I will give you a different image. Okay, something like because I want the girl to be a little bit rough, dull face. Okay, this looks nice. Let me give you this. Okay, and then see another assignment for you is, see, I am going to keep this image. See, I am going to keep this image in our WhatsApp group. Let me open our WhatsApp group. Just a minute. It's taking time to load. I don't know why. I think some internet problem is there in my system.
Mobile is connected. Mobile not connected.
Yeah, now we got it. Okay, see, I have sent the file now. Okay, and one more example, one more assignment is, see, take the image of young boy. Okay, young boy, something around 5-year-old boy or 6-year-old boy. Okay, and put him in forest. Put him in forest. Take an image of glowing bird and put the glow on boy's face, just like what we have done with the bulb glow. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your assignment. Okay, one assignment is photo retouching, another assignment is you have to take a young boy, you have to a small kid like this, and then that you have to put that small kid inside a forest, and you have also take a image of a bird. Okay, and that bird should be like a light glowing bird. Okay, something like a bulb. Okay, and that glow from that bird should fall on that boy's face. Okay, try to do this and show me by next class, everyone. Everybody, especially see those who have computer, try to complete your assignment and show me by next class. And those who don't have computer, my advice to you is, don't waste your time. Try to find some solution, alternative solution, and get systems, right? Okay, so now the next step. So now we will see one more example, one final example in adjustments, and after this example we will be completing adjustments. Okay, and after that we will be going to the next important topics, such as we are having topics such as animation, hair selections, and after that we will be having topics such as photo manipulation, matte painting, UI design. So still some more classes are there for us. Okay, right. So the next example in this session is color correction. Okay, color correction. So what is color correction? See here. So this is color correction. Okay. See here. So what you can understand by this by looking at these two images. Okay, see, the left side image is bluish, is having a bluish coloring. The right side image has a natural coloring. Okay, so we have to convert this left side image to right side image. Okay, and the same thing here also, the left side image is not looking natural, it is not having natural colors, so we have to convert the left side image to natural colors of the right side image. And in this image also, see, here we have converted a black and white image to color like this. So are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So color correction is to bring back a image color to its natural colors. Okay, so that is color correction. So now we are going to do one example in color correction. So let me find an image. So let me select this. So the first thing we have to do is we have to crop this image, because I don't want this some unwanted text here. So you can crop it, or you can do one thing, even instead of cropping, you can also do something like content aware. So right click, fill, content aware, right. So now we can start doing the color corrections. I'm just going to come in 2 minutes. Okay, everybody please be online.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Balu Kandede is outside.
Janet Jigger.
Alright.
Balu. 2026 లో స్పేస్ వెళ్తా. స్పేస్ లోకి వెళ్తా 2026 లో.
All right. So see, we are going to colorize this image. See, there are two methods to colorize the image. Okay, so first method is, we are not going to use any blend any adjustments. Okay, simply we will use blending modes and colorize the image. Next way is, I'm going to use adjustments and colorize. Okay, so we'll see both methods. Okay, so I will give you one screenshot. Okay, just take the screenshot, everybody. Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So everybody has taken screenshot. Right.
Taken, sir, taken.
Okay. So now what we'll do, just like previous example, I'm going to take a duplicate. Okay, I'm not going to work on the original. So what is the first step we'll do? See, first we are going to colorize the grass. Okay, first we are going to colorize the grass. So how to colorize the grass? So I am going to select the grass. So how to select the grass? See, just take a pen tool, select the path. Okay, just I am going to okay. After selecting this, just what you have to do, take a new layer, control enter. Okay, then we can give some feather, right? So then I will take one green color. Let's take a little bit green, and then we'll use Alt and backspace. Okay, right? And then we will use our blending mode. Which blending mode? Color blending. Okay, see here, color blending mode. Then if you don't want the color to be too dark, so you can actually reduce the opacity. Okay, so now it is a little bit less dark or light. Right. Now the next step is we are going to take a one common layer. Okay, Control Alt Shift E. Right. Now the next step is see, I am going to give some coloring to his skin also. Okay, so we will first colorize the skin of this boy, and then we will also colorize the pants. So to colorize the skin, we will get one image. So this will get this image of this person. Okay, and then we'll just pick one brightest spot here. Okay, somewhere over here. I think okay. So this is the color, and then I think it is too dark. Will pick one more image actually. We'll pick this. Okay, so this color is better. Just zoom it. Okay, so I have selected his face. Actually the image here has a little bit low quality, so just we can do it a little bit less accurately. Okay, and we'll also select this. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, what is the next step? So just you will take a new layer, okay, and we'll give some little bit feather, okay, or you can adjust it a little bit if you want. Control Enter. You can give some small amount of feather, and then we will use Alt and backspace, okay, and then we will simply use color, okay. We can actually reduce the opacity if you want, if you think the color is little bit unnatural, slight opacity, okay, now it's correct. Then we will do the same thing again. So just we'll take a common layer again, so Control Alt to Shift to T, and then again I will just try to colorize. See, I will only colorize his pants and his hair, okay. So we'll first colorize his hair. So he is actually some foreign boy, so his hair is not exactly black in color, his hair is a little bit brownish in color. So we'll give some brownish color to his hair. So you can do some rough selection, it's okay, because anyways image is of low quality. Right. Just take a new layer, Control Enter, and then we can give some, actually we have to do it a little bit perfectly. Right. So now we will select some brownish color, okay, dark brown, and then we will also give some feather. Did you give feather? Yeah. Okay, don't give a very big value, okay, we have to give only a small feather value, okay, and then we will use this color, right. And if you think it is too it is too brownish, you can reduce the opacity a little bit. Right. Okay, so we have now colorized the skin and hair, and then we'll just colorize the pants. Control Alt Shift and E, one more duplicate, then to colorize the pants. Then just take a new layer, Control Enter, give some feather to this, and then Okay, so now we have colorized his pants also, and then I have reduced the opacity also, and now we'll once again take a common layer, Control Alt Shift and E. Right, so just see, we have come till here. See, now the challenging part here is to colorize the sky. Okay, because see, the sky has balloons, and as well as this boy is also coming in between the sky. Boy is also covering the sky a little bit. Okay, so now we have to find a way to colorize the sky. Okay, so first step is directly, now we cannot directly colorize the sky. We have to first colorize the balloons, and then we have to colorize the sky. Okay, are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see, so let me select these balloons. So how to select the balloons? We can use the quick selection tool. Okay, right. So now once we have selected all these balloons, so now what is the next step? See here, just we will take one new layer, then so we will just select the gradient. So see, actually we'll give some colorful gradients. Okay, right. So see, I have taken a new layer. Just now what you have to do, just simply drag a gradient like this. Okay, then we have to once again select the colors. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, now see, I am going to invert the selection. I will now invert the selection. So how to invert the selection? Anybody can tell? Control Shift I. See, there is a difference between Control I and Control Shift I. Okay, so Control Shift I. Right. So now I have inverts the selection. Now what you will do is, see, it has selected the opposite area, but we want only the sky area. Okay, so we have to minus the grass, as well as we have to minus this boy. So what you have to do, see, I am going to use Alt, and I am going to select the marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, and then simply draw a selection. See, now only this part is selected now, but still this boy is covering some portion of the sky. So what we have to do, so we have to subtract the boy also from this selection. So how we can subtract? So we will take a polygon lasso tool, we will hold Alt on the keyboard. Okay, so we'll hold Alt on the keyboard, and then we'll just simply draw a selection. It's okay if it is rough. Okay, you don't have to be completely perfect. If you understand the concept, it's okay.
I can't use. selection tool.
You can use quick selection, but sometimes maybe if some unwanted area gets selected now, it will be problematic for you. You can try, no problem, there are many other ways. Okay, see, now I have selected exactly the sky area. Okay, and in case you want to add some parts here, like to the selection, you can do that, right? Right, so now we have exactly selected the sky. Okay, so now what you can do is, so we'll give some small amount of feather to the sky, and then just take a new layer, and then which color will be the sky? Some bluish color. Okay, somewhere over here, and then Alt and backspace, and then we will simply select color. Okay, color blending. And then if you think this color is little bit dim, you can try other blending modes also, or you can do one thing, you can actually control and click on the thumbnail, and then you can pick one darker color like this. See, now it's little bit dark, but this is optional. Okay, but I think this is better, right? So for one last time, I am going to take one more common copy, Control Alt Shift to E, right? And then I will just take a new document, and then just simply drag it, and then simply drag this one. Okay, see, just like our previous example, we have done color correction. Okay, we have completely colorized the image, and we have not used any blend adjustment here. We have done it completely by using this one, blending modes. But let me tell you, you can also do it without going to blending modes. You can also colorize by simply using adjustment, and which adjustment I will tell you. Okay, see. Okay, so is it clear now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, I will delete all these layers. I'm going to delete all these layers. See, now we are back to the black and white one. I will just colorize his pants and the grass, and this time not by using blending modes, but by using adjustments. Okay, so now let us see how we can do that. See, once again I am going to draw a selection. Okay, right. So again I will just hit Control Enter. See, I have not taken any new layer. Okay, I am doing it in this layer only. Right. Then what is the next step? Okay, actually we have to give it some more feather. Okay, see, I will go to image adjustments. Okay, and in this adjustment, see, we have to select something called color balance. Okay, color balance. So this is a special adjustment here. Okay, see, it is not compulsory to use only adjustments or only blending modes. You can use the combination of both blending modes and adjustments. For example, if you want to colorize the balloons, you don't have to use this color balance. You can use blending modes. So in that way, you have to understand, means you have to decide which is the right option. Okay, you don't have to use only blending modes or only color balance. You can use the combination of both the things. Okay, right. Now see, I have to colorize the grass. Okay, so how can I colorize the grass? See here, in color balance we have some options here: green, red and blue. Okay, and at the bottom you can see some extra options: tone balance, and what we have here: shadows, midtones and highlights. So all of you know what are shadows, midtones and highlights?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right. So see here, now we have to make the grass green in color, and this grass is having highlights, midtones, shadows. So means the grass is having dark areas, light areas and bright areas or medium areas. Okay, so what you have to do is, first I will try to increase the green color in the midtones. Okay, so just simply click this button and just simply drag this. See, now it is in the midtones area, the image is becoming greenish. Okay, and if I want this to look more greenish, I also have to select the shadows, and then again I have to move this slider to the right. See, now it is more greenish, means even the shadows are becoming greenish. And if you want more greenish, you also have to increase the greenness in highlights also. Okay, see, these areas are highlight areas, these areas are shadow areas. Like this, see, now it has become very green. So like this you can use the color balance to completely colorize a black and white image. Okay, only color balance we can use. But having said that, I will not say for colorizing every object or every element in the image you have to use color balance only, because I think for balloons color balance is not the right option. Balloons are having multiple colors, so it is not a good idea to use color balance for them. Blending mode is only the right method. But for other things, such as, let us say, if you want to colorize his pants, so for pants we can use this color balance. So again I will just draw a selection. Right, right. So control enter, and then you can give some small feather amount, and then you can go to image adjustments and color balance. And which color for pant? Blue color. Okay, so we can see, first we'll increase the blue for in this midtones, and then let us try to increase it in shadows. See, now it is dark bluish in color. You can also try it in highlights. So now it is completely dark bluish in color. If you want to make it a little bit light blue, just move this slider for all the balance values to the left. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, but the one problem with this color balance is you cannot colorize the skin properly. Means exact skin tones you may not get. So, for colorizing the skin tones, better option is blending modes. Okay. So like that you have to decide. You should not use only one option. Always one option to colorize. You have to use multiple options. Okay. So this is called color correction, and I am also going to give you a third assignment, that is color correction. Okay. So let me I think I already have one file. Let me check. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, I will give you this image. See, I am going to give you this image. Okay, you have to colorize this image. Okay, let me keep it here. Let me put this in our WhatsApp group. So where is our file? Okay, this one. Let me open my WhatsApp. Let me check. See, all of you, please complete your assignments. Okay. Please don't because some students are not able to do because of systems. You also don't skip the assignments. Understand, everybody? Especially whoever has a system, complete the assignment and show me by next class. And all those who don't have system, please do some arrangements. Get the system at the earliest. Okay. Is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
Sir.
And who has completed the last class assignments? Anybody from your group?
Sir, I
Sir, I
have
have
completed,
completed,
sir.
sir.
Who is it? Anjana Gorka, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so where is it? Let me check.
Sir, I
Sir, I will
mail
mail you
this
this now.
Oh, you did not mail, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After
After
that,
that,
I thought I
yeah.
Okay, okay.
I mail
Then
you.
you mail. I will then directly I will check in the next class. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So others, what about others? Vamshi, I think Vamshi, you are having system, right? Send చేసావా? Oh, 1 minute. Let me check. So where did it send? When did you send? Yesterday, yeah? But there is nothing. I don't see any of your mail in my mailbox. Did you send? See, everybody knows my email. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if anybody don't know, I am going to put my email here. See, always remember this. So this is my email. Okay. See, rsrao@gmail.com. So this is my email. If anybody don't know my email, please complete your assignments and send me to this email. So I don't know, I did not get a Vamshi's works. Right. Any others? Nobody others about Santosh Reddy, Shiva. Oh, Santosh Reddy don't have computer.
Don't have, sir.
Balu, what about you?
No, sir. No, sir. Honda, sir. E-vehicle.
Shiva? Shiva?
Austin sir.
So, okay. So do it fast, okay? Because we are covering many topics. Again, it will be difficult for all of you. Okay? So today, how many are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 actually. Okay, just let me put the attendance. So today, who is absent? Jakka, Srikant Rao and Shreyas, right? Santosh Reddy present.
Sir.
Anjanay Prasad present.
Sir,
Okay,
present, sir.
Jakka Reddy, okay. Srikant, Balu present. Swamshi present. Huma present. Shreyas absent. Shivakumar present. Right. Okay, so all of you try to complete the assignment. Okay, all of you can sign out now. Right.
So the girl example you will fail by evening. After 4.
You come 4 o'clock కి నువ్వు కంపల్సరీ రావాలి, అర్థమైందా? లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ నువ్వు వస్తా అని చెప్పి ఆ రోజులాగా రాకపోతే ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్, ఓకే, యూ క్యాన్ సైన్ అవుట్ నౌ. అదే పంపు, నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ చూస్తాను, ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ చూసి చెప్తాను నేను. రైట్, ఓకే, రైట్, బాయ్.
Okay, sir. Once again, many more happy to.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Okay, right. బాగుంది